What's up, y'all? If you don't know who I am already, I'm Whitney. I'm president and co-founder of Southern Customz Car Club. So I thought I'd jump on here just to give y'all a little update about Southern Customz. Today, we didn't bring home any trophies, and that's okay. We wasn't there for the trophies anyway. We were there for support, to show our love and our appreciation for our brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ. We got some new members today while being out there. We got a young man and a longtime friend. She is going to join too. With that being said, if y'all don't know anything about this logo, you probably haven't heard of us. We're a small group. We've been going probably 2 years strong now. There's about 20 of us or so. Most of the time we're kind of scattered out trying to hit as many events as possible. Where I go to more local events, I do branch out. I just wanted to jump on here and let y'all know, Southern Customz loves what we do. We go out and support. We throw our own shows. We do a lot of different things in the community. But, we've been kind of dry. Year of 2022, we kind of went strong. We did a lot of car shows. I think we hosted or attended one every month as far as hosted that summer. Or we did a ride. We did a ride for Aiden's last ride. But with that being said, I don't want to get emotional on here, y'all. I've kind of been emotional all day. We are taking in members. If you have an event coming up, car, bike show, whatever, reach out to me, send me a flyer. I don't mind promoting it. My VP and his wife, our secretary, they don't mind promoting. Any Southern Customz member that you see with the sticker or they have it somewhere on their profile that they're part of Southern Customz, reach out to them. They will help promote it. They will get in contact with us. It's time to get Southern Customz known in every household. What we're about is we're family by choice, not by blood. We love working with problem teenagers, teenagers that just don't know where they belong. Well, 9 times out of 10, they belong with Southern Customz. It's been hard for a lot of people. We want to create a safe place and get kids addicted to building cars. If they're addicted to building cars, I promise you they're going to be too broke to do anything else. We have several vehicles, even in my own household. I have my Cadillac. My husband has his truck that kind of looks like a Cadillac now. It's not finished, car shows. We have a jacked up Tahoe. We have 2 base Tahoes being built in my yard. The teenagers are so involved in these shows. From my own personal experience, y'all know that I have 2 teenage daughters. They struggled with finding a place where they belonged. Well, I decided to bring back my teenage years and start building cars again. And ever since I started that, and my kids, my girls, they got super involved. They're A students. They don't get in trouble. They're graduating early. They're starting businesses. They're getting out in the community and reaching people. So I just wanted to take this time to say, hey, we love y'all. We appreciate all the love and support that we get from everybody in the community with us. If you want to join us at an event or you want us to come to an event, please reach out. I try to post when events are happening and where we'll meet up to all roll in together. Just keep an eye on my page. But much love, y'all. Bye.